Hello there. Today we're going to be doing an experiment to understand how ocean currents are affected by temperature. So we have cold water here in this container. Styrofoam cups are just to hold it up. And I've got two different colors of food coloring that we're going to be testing. And I've got a cup of hot water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and put the blue food coloring on the edge of the container and the red food coloring in the center. And then I'm going to put the hot water underneath the container and we're going to see what happens. If you want to bring it closer there, bring it up closer so you can see it. So if you look on the edge here, I'm going to bring it down from the side. No, from the side. Like you're going like that. Oh, there you go. All right. And let's go ahead and see what's happening there. I'm going to put a little bit of white paper behind it because it makes it a little easier to see. Is that easier to see there?
Yeah.
All right. So what you're probably going to be noticing is that the red food coloring that was at the bottom of the container starts to rise. And this is because as water molecules get heated, the water molecules move further apart, and as they move further apart, they become less dense, and they start to rise. When that happens, the blue food coloring, which is still in the cold water, is going to start moving in to take place of where the red food coloring was, because those molecules are heated up and rising. Those blue food coloring molecules will move in to take the place of the water molecules that had the red food coloring in them. If we watch this for quite a while, what you're probably going to notice is that you'll start to see almost a circular motion of the red food coloring and the blue food coloring. For example, over here on the right, you'll see that the red food coloring is moving over towards where the blue food coloring was. And now it's getting colder and more dense, as cold water is more dense because the molecules are closer together, and it's going to sink down to where the blue molecules are moving in. So you get this circular motion, and this is also true of the currents in the ocean, that as warm water gets heated in the ocean, it rises to the top. And then as that rises to the top, that cold water is going to sink down and take its place and create this circular motion. Does anyone know what that circular motion is called?
Global wind.
It is not global winds. This is temperature. This is how temperature affects ocean currents.
The Coriolis effect?
No, that's how the rotation of the Earth affects ocean currents. It's a type of way that heat is transferred. There's 3 ways that heat is transferred. This is one of them. Does anyone know the 3 ways that heat is transferred?
I know 2.
Okay, 2 of them.
Conduction and radiation.
Good, conduction and radiation. It's not that one.
Cellular?
No, you're close though. It's convection. So this process is called convection. So this convection current in the ocean helps those ocean currents to move.